How to link a lock screen to focus mode on your iPhone. This feature lets your iPhone automatically switch to a specific lock screen whenever you turn on a selected focus mode, making it easier to stay organized and minimize distractions. To get started, press and hold your lock screen until the wallpaper gallery appears. Next, swipe to the lock screen you want to use. If you don't have one yet, tap the plus button to create a new lock screen and customize it with your preferred wallpaper and widgets. Once you've selected the lock screen, tap Focus at the bottom of the screen. You'll now see a list of available focus modes. Select the one you want to link, such as Work, Personal, Sleep, or a custom focus. After you select the focus mode, your changes are saved automatically. Now, whenever that focus mode is activated, either manually or automatically, your iPhone will switch to the linked lock screen. And that's it. You've successfully linked a lock screen to a focus mode on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.